So the other day I was on my iPad mini and I noticed this app that I don't really go on, sorry, uh, that I don't really go on often called iTunes U, which stands for iTunes University. And being the computer science person that I am, I decided to go in the computer science category to see what courses they offered. And lo and behold, they have developing iOS 11 apps with Swift, taught by Stanford. So I decided to check it out. And after doing a bit of digging, I actually found the exact same course, but 2020 version for free, essentially. I mean, not essentially, it is for free. Offered on the Stanford course, offered on the Stanford website, and also all the videos are on YouTube. So I've watched 3 courses so far. Very interesting stuff. The difference between the 2 courses are that the one on the iTunes U is iOS 11, which, if you guys are keeping up with this stuff, is an older version than what's currently released. Also, this older version teaches you UIKit, which is an older framework released by Apple in 2008, a framework for designing UIs. And this new version of the exact same courses offers Swift UI, which came out 2 years ago, which is going to be the new framework that's supposedly going to replace the old UIKit framework. And not to mention, I'm not a mobile developer. I've just always been interested in mobile development. I've always wanted to make my own apps. I've made a few apps a long time ago. I don't even remember anything about it, really. It was in college. But yeah, I'm kind of hoping to get back into it and maybe even release a few apps in the future in my spare time. So if you guys want to follow along in this journey, make sure you like and subscribe to this video. Also, I think I'm forgetting a few other things I wanted to mention. This course is called CS 193P, by the way. It's specifically CS 193P, Developing Apps for iOS. I'm going to link the site in the video description, but if you guys decide to look it up later, that's what it's called. And again, I don't know if I mentioned, I've watched about 3 or 4 courses so far, and the quality's what you'd expect from an institution such as Stanford. And they go over some pretty important fundamentals such as software architecture and animation, gestures, networking, data flow, all types of stuff that you really need to know in order to make a good iOS app using the latest and greatest frameworks offered by Apple. And again, I'm doing this because I enjoy Apple's products and I've always wanted to make my own app. So why not learn from an institution such as Stanford on how to do it? I'm going to be documenting my journey along the way. If you guys want to follow along, like and subscribe, and comment below with any questions, and follow along with the course if you'd like. And I think that's it. Catch you guys next time.